Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. Today, as usual, we'll go through the homework and then we'll pick up where we left off the last lesson. So let's go ahead and open the books. The homework was in the review page, in the review unit, page 72. Match the shapes to their names. So we want to match the shapes that we have here to their names. Now we have square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. So let's match them. This is a circle. So here we can match it. Circle, rectangle, square, triangle, triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay, so these are the shapes matched to their boxes. Okay, now before we move ahead, we'll do what we usually do every lesson, and that is reviewing the shapes. Okay, so let's review the shapes real quick. Now here, first shape, as usual. What's this? What's this? Square. Square. What's this? What's this? Circle. Circle. What's this? What's this? Triangle. Triangle. What's this? What's this? Rectangle. Rectangle. Now all of these are called shapes. 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 Square. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Okay, so these are the shapes we studied the last time. Now before we move ahead, I'm going to draw the shapes again, which are square, circle, triangle, and a rectangle. Okay, now we took these shapes and we did something with them last time. Here, half, 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 half. Here, half, half. So these are halves. Okay, so first we have whole, which is the whole square. So this is a whole. And then we have half. Then we have quarter, 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 quarter. There is no quarter for a triangle, and that is because you can't get 4 equal shapes from a triangle easily, not in this shape. As for a rectangle, they have to be equal shapes, equal parts. So here, quarters, quarter. Okay, great. So here, whole, whole, half, half, quarter, quarter. Okay, great. These are the shapes. Okay, now let's jump right ahead to today's lesson. And open the page. For a quick review, we have half, quarter. Okay, today, for a quarter as equal parts. Cutting an object into quarters makes 4 equal parts. So when you cut them into pieces, they should be equal. They should be the same. So here, same, 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 same. So these are quarters. Here, no, 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 no. They're not the same. So they're not quarters. Okay, so when they're quarters, they have to be the same. Look at here, this picture, or this circle. Quarters are the same. Here, they are not the same. Okay, so when they are the same, we call it quarter. When they're not the same, not quarter. Okay, now I'm going to show you that again over here. So if we have a square, okay, so here, these are equal, so or same. So this is called quarter. This is quarter. This is correct. But if we do it this way, they're not quarters. This side is bigger than this side. This side is smaller than this side. So they're not the same. So they're not equal. They're not quarter. Okay? Now I'm going to draw one and you have to guess. Good or bad. Okay? Quarters or not quarter. Okay, here. Quarters or not quarter. Are they the same? Yes. So this is a quarter. They are the same. So quarter. Okay, let's try something else. Or let's try another shape. And you will have to answer. Okay. Okay, are these quarters or not quarters? Okay, what's the answer? Quarter or not quarter? The answer is not quarter. This side is smaller than this side. This side is bigger than these sides. So no, they are not quarters. Okay, last one. Okay, quarters or not quarters? Well, they are quarters. They're almost the same. Not exactly, but almost the same. So that makes them quarters. Makes them the same, and that makes them quarters. Okay, great. That's good job. Now let's go ahead and answer the questions that we have in the book. Take the shapes that show quarters. Okay, so if the sides are the same, then tick. If they're not, we're going to cross. Here, they're not the same, so here we cross. Here, they are the same, so we tick. Here, not the same, so we can cross. Here, they look the same, so we can tick. Here, they are the same. You can tick. Here, this side is bigger than this side, so we can cross this out. This side is bigger than this side, so we can cross it out. These sides are the same, so we can tick them. Okay, so here, not quarters, quarter, not quarter, 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 not quarter, not quarter, quarter. Okay, so that's it for this exercise here. Now here, draw lines and color quarter of each of these. Okay, so we're going to draw the lines and then we're going to color the shapes. Okay, so here we have to color. First, draw the lines. It's better if you use a ruler. That will look much better. But I did use it, so it doesn't look neat. I'm going to do that this one as well. Okay. Okay, so now that they are all quarters, we can take the colors and color each of these. As usual, I'll get 4 random colors. Let's take this one out. Okay, so this side is green. Side is orange. This side is purple. Where is blue? No, it's blue actually. It's dark blue. Love that color as well. It looks really nice. Do you like blue? I think blue is one of the best colors you can find. Okay, and then last but not least, purple. Again, try not to go outside of the lines. Try to color in the lines so that it looks nice and neat. Just like mine. Okay, I didn't go outside the lines, so it looks nice and neat. I'm gonna find another 4 colors. Okay, I got a good selection. I got blue again. Yeah, it's the same blue again. Completely by accident. But I like it, so I don't mind using it twice. Okay, I have black. Okay. We have, I think this is red. I don't know, this looks like red, but light red maybe? It looks weird. And then brown. This is light brown, but it still looks nice. Okay, that's great. Now the last one is, let's see. I got red, yellow, green, and silver. I'm gonna start with silver. Just because it looks nice. Green. Yellow. And red. Okay. So these are the shapes. They're all divided into quarters. They don't look great, but they look nice, which is the most important part. Okay, great. Now that we're done with those, here cross through all the shapes that do not show quarters. So we're going to cross through all the shapes that do not have quarters, and we will color the ones that are showing quarters. Okay, so this is showing quarters, great. This is not showing quarters, so we can cross. Quarters, good. Not quarters. Not quarters. Not quarters. Quarters and quarters. Now, you have 2 choices. You can color them with the same color, or you can use different colors, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, so again, as usual, we're going to have 3 different colors. I got light blue, my favorite. Don't go outside of the line. Stay in the line so it looks nice. Red. And brown. Okay, so these are the shapes. Next, let's see, next 2 colors. What am I going to get? Okay, we got brown. Seems like red and green. Let's start with green. Oh, this is a nice type of shade of green. This is light green. Okay, now this is light red, I think. not the same red, and then brown. The last one is brown. Okay, great. Next up, let's see what colors we get. I'm going with pink. Oops. Get it. Pink. Red. And yellow. Okay. We're starting with this one. Oh, we already have pink, so we have to change the color. I'll choose this one. Blue is good. Okay, so let's start with blue. Okay, red. It's pretty close to the color next to it, but it's not the same. And then yellow. So that looks great. Okay, next three colors. Green, brown, and orange. We've never used this color before. I like this type of orange. Okay, orange, green. It would be great if you could say the colors with me. That would help you. So you can listen and repeat. So brown, green, light green or yellow maybe, and then orange. Okay, great. That's it for this exercise. Now we're going to go through the homework and finish today's math lesson. Draw lines to quarter each rectangle. Quarter each rectangle differently. So the rectangles should be different, not the same. Okay, so here, draw lines. Let's see. I'm going to do the first one for you, which is the simple one, like this. After you finish, you have to color them, and they have to look nice. Did we color the last one you did? Oh, the homework wasn't here. Okay, so the question tells you to quarter them in different ways, and then what I'm telling you to do is color them. So draw lines to quarter each rectangle differently. So they have to be different and not the same. Okay, this is the first one. You have to color it in any different colors that you like, and then you're done. Okay, now before the episode finishes today, we're going to go through what we've done today. So we have whole, like square, circle, rectangle, triangle and rectangle. Then we have half, like this, half, 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 and then quarter. Quarter. Of course, there is no quarter for triangle, so we can skip that one. Quarter. Okay, so again, let's listen and repeat. Square, square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, whole, whole, half, half, quarter, quarter. Okay, great. Now that we finished this one, I'm going to give you a quick exercise or a quick test just to see if you understand what you've done today. Okay, so I'm going to draw 4 shapes. Click this one. Okay, great. So what's this? Is it half? Is it half? No, it's not. Okay, so this one, no. What about this one? Is it half? Yes, it's half. What about this one? Is it quarter? No. What about this one? Is it quarter? Well, the sides seem the same, so we can say it's quarter. Okay? Great, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.